we just machined this thing down. The one that we had was a little bit too big. We wanted a little bit smaller one. This is actually going to go on here. We're going to cut a hole through here, and then we're going to weld it right on here like this. And what this is, oh, it is just a filler.
That's for the filler neck.
Yeah,
right?
for the filler. Yeah, exactly.
Right, cool.
So that's all that is. We're going to weld this, weld that, and then we'll make a bracket to hold this thing up, and then that's it. This is the radiator for it. Yep. So, you guys with the Acty truck, you guys want to upgrade? This would be it.
That's it right there.
This is it. Yep.
Just do exactly what we do, guys.
Datsun 1200.
A Datsun 1200?
Yeah, Datsun 1200.
Oh,
So we just got done welding this right here. You can see this is the one that's actually the filler. Here we took it off. Actually made a plug for it. And then this one here is actually the new filler. It's going to go up this way here to the filler. So we welded this on here. Also, this is the one that I machined down. So we're going to see. So you can see now, this is a little bit bigger than the OEM one that's on there.
What's
you can see much thicker.
Does that give us the idea for this again?
This from Al. Once again, thank you, Al. Works perfect. You're a genius, Al. Okay, so let me put this out the way. So we're gonna have to go
3-inch core.
3-inch core. So this way here, you can see. Oh, we gotta go from the bottom, all the way from the bottom. Yeah, from the bottom like this. Oh, let me put. There you go. Yeah, see. So it's have to go from the bottom from here like this, and then it's a little bit. Yeah, we gotta tilt it a little bit here. Yeah, we're gonna have to cut a little snug. But I think we could make it fit.
Yeah, it could fit. It definitely could fit. So
as long as we can get it past that, you can see slip right here.
That piece
it's
right
just
there.
That piece right there. See? And then go up this way, right? Like this?
Well,
like this.
You can do it that
right there.
way, and then push it in.
There
or
it goes.
If you go in that way, it'll work, but the other way.
So this way here. So
So
Michael was showing us how to do this. So the way you do this here.
Snuck it in right there.
Yep, right there.
Dang, flushed.
That's perfect.
And the
right
bumper
there.
come all the way down here.
See, now we have to make this piece here. We're gonna build a bracket. Michael's gonna build a bracket from here to here.
Okay.
That's on there. This right here, you can see. We gotta cut this shorter. This hole here is shorter. Put that in there. That's gonna go in there.
Yep.
That's gonna go in here, like right here. And then we can put the color back on. That's perfect.
And then we're just going to make one more little tab, because on the factory radiator, it had just a little stub that sticks up here and just holds it in place so it doesn't move back and forth.
Yeah.
And then the bottom will be bolted in from the tabs that we're going to make here.
Perfect.
All right.
Look at that.
There you go, guys. Just follow our steps, guys, and you can do it too. We're going to take a look at the clutch pedal. Chad is doing here, the update.
Okay, guys, I think hopefully you can see it the best way you can. It's kind of hard to get the camera in there, but some of those pieces, you see that triangulate piece is up here, and that piece that we made on the plasma is right here. It's just tacked for now. I gotta remove this entire thing, but back there with that bar sticking out, that bar is now connected to, I don't know if we can get in there. Let's see if you can get the camera there.
There it is, yeah.
Okay, you see it? Oh, wait, let's see if we can get it in. It's kind of,
Yeah, it's
trying to
pushing
see
it. Yeah, we
how
see
it's
it.
articulating a little bit.
Yep.
But there, that's how it articulates. So it's right here, back here. It has the arm that articulates. I know it's hard to see because you can't really see it, but it's gonna basically push up against this. And what our goal is to try to get this line into the existing brake fluid reservoir, and then this will be a custom line that goes up and around and back down through the bottom, kind of like the factory one. The factory cable used to go through this hole right here.
Okay.
Right here, and it goes down through the floor, right behind the pedal. But if you can see, I can even sit in here. I know it looks like it's in your way, but not in this car. So I can't hit it that hard because I have to be careful.
So the clutch pedal and the brake pedal, the throttle cable, everything's working.
Everything is attached besides us welding and making lines. But now it's fully attached. The master shouldn't get in your way at all. I mean, you'd have to lift your foot all the way up here, so I don't think someone's gonna do that. Where you adjusted the throw to see, you know, how much it's really gonna throw, it definitely is gonna be a very, very short clutch pedal, but you'll get used to it.
Nice little 6-speed
Yeah.
puffing wheelies. All right, little update, guys, on the Acty. You saw the radiator is gonna be in, throttle cable, and also clutch. It's almost done. Next thing we're gonna be working on is fuel and, you know, more wiring. All right, guys, stay tuned. Check it out, guys. Check it out. What you guys think? It's all snugged up in there now. Brackets made. Getting together. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna keep on updating on the Acty. Like, subscribe.